Sai Ram to you all, dear children. Today I will be again taking you all through the chapter entitled The Tree House, Class 4, Subject English, Part 6, Chapter 8. So now, what did we understand or know from Part 5 of this lesson? For a few days, both Ashi and Muskan did not talk to one another. So they remained in their respective tree houses. Muskan, however, spent time reading some books. On one of the days, Muskan called Ashi from her window, from the window of her house. Ashi responded to her call and Muskan inquired if Ashi had some books, that is, if she had any book with her, upon which Ashi said no. So at that point of time, when Ashi replied she had no books, she was a bit surprised. She wondered how Ashi would spend time without reading any book. So then, again, Muskan inquired if she needed any book, upon which Ashi said yes. So then Muskan handed over 2 books to Ashi, right? And then that is how both of them could get together and at last became friends. Now I will be taking you through part 6 of this lesson. I have 2 bananas, Ashi told her. So Ashi told whom? Ashi told this to Muskan. I have 2 bananas, Ashi told to Muskan. Do you want one? Do you want one? So Ashi asked if Muskan wanted one. Muskan nodded. Ashi climbed up and returned with a banana to pass across the fence. Back in her own tree house, Muskan peeled and ate the banana. Then she called to Ashi again. So after peeling banana means removing the outer skin of the banana. Okay, that is peeling the banana. After eating the banana, she inquired Ashi by saying, do you have a waste basket in your house? So Muskan is asking Ashi if she had any waste basket in her house, that is Ashi's house. I don't want to mess up my carpet with this banana peel. So Muskan is telling to Ashi that she didn't want to mess up her carpet with the banana peel. That means what Muskan means to say is she didn't want her carpet to become dirty, right? Ashi, looking through her window, nodded. So that means she is signaling to Muskan that she has a waste basket in her house. Ashi is telling to Muskan that she has waste basket in her house. So Ashi said to Muskan that she has a waste basket in her house. Muskan climbed down and Ashi also climbed down, and Muskan handed the banana peel across the fence. So Muskan and Ashi climbed down together, and Muskan handed over the banana peel to Ashi. Both girls climbed back into their houses. Muskan sat alone and admired her fringed rug for a moment. Right? Then flipped through her books again, wondering what Ashi was doing. She called through her window, Ashi. Ashi looked out and asked, Ashi looked out. What? I could come over to visit you if you want, Muskan said. Ashi did not answer. So Ashi did not respond to Muskan when Muskan asked Ashi if she could come to her house, right? Then or you could come visit me, Muskan added. So thereafter, Muskan also asked Ashi to visit her house. Your sign says keep out, Ashi pointed out. So Ashi pointed out the display board which says keep out. So Ashi pointed out to Muskan. See, you have painted keep out on your display board. So does mine. So I have also painted keep out on my display board. Well, Muskan suggested, we could change them. So now Muskan said to Ashi that both of them could change the statement or a phrase keep out. Keep out. So here is the summary of the video. I have 2 bananas. Ashi told her, Ashi told her, I have 2 bananas. Ashi told her, do you want one? Muskan nodded and Ashi climbed up and returned with a banana to pass across the fence. Back in her own tree house, Muskan peeled and ate one banana. Then she called to Ashi again. Do you have waste basket in your house? I don't want to make my carpet dirty. Ashi, looking through her window, nodded. So Muskan climbed down and Ashi also climbed down, and Muskan handed over the banana peel across the fence. Muskan called through her window, I could come over to visit you if you want, Muskan said, or you could come visit me, Muskan added. Your sign says keep out, Ashi pointed out. So does mine. Well, Muskan suggested we could change them. Here are a few questions relating to this video. What did Ashi give to Muskan? What did Ashi give to Muskan? Second question. What did Muskan ask Ashi? What did Muskan ask Ashi? Third question. Why did Muskan call Ashi through her window? Why did Muskan call Ashi through her window? Fourth question. What was the answer given by Ashi? What was the answer given by Ashi? Fifth question. How did Muskan react? How did Muskan react? So answer all these 5 questions. We shall meet up in the next session. Have a good day. Sai Ram to everyone.